Welcome to our channel, Shoe Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of fashion with the best top 5 shoes for men in 2024. As style evolves, so do our choices, and I've scoured the market to bring you the ultimate lineup. From cutting-edge technology to timeless classics, this list has it all. But here's the catch. In the final moments of this video, I unveil an exclusive discount code for one of these top-tier picks. Stick around for the ultimate style upgrade, and a chance to snag your favorite pair at an unbeatable price. Let's step into the future together. Let the countdown. Number 5. The Dockers Men's Beacon Boat Shoe. These aren't just your average kicks, they're packed with features that caught our attention. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about the genuine leather uppers. The craftsmanship is top-notch, providing a classic and sophisticated look. Whether you're heading to the office or a weekend brunch, these shoes effortlessly elevate your style, making a statement without being too flashy. Now, here's where things get interesting. These boat shoes are treated with Never Wet, a game-changer in the world of footwear. This revolutionary water and stain guard work like magic, instantly repelling liquids. Say goodbye to the anxiety of accidental spills or stains. These shoes have got your back, keeping them looking fresh for longer. One of the highlights is the double goring on each side, ensuring an easy slip-on and off experience. No more struggling with laces or dealing with a complicated entry process. It's all about convenience, especially when you're in a hurry or just want a hassle-free footwear option. Comfort is non-negotiable, and Dockers understands that. The footbed is treated with Clean Sport NXT, providing a fresh and odor-free environment for your feet. It's a thoughtful touch that sets these boat shoes apart from the rest, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the day. Lastly, let's talk about versatility. These boat shoes effortlessly transition from casual to semi-formal occasions. Pair them with jeans for a laid-back look or wear them with chinos for a more polished vibe. The Dockers Men's Beacon Boat Shoe is the go-to choice for those who appreciate style without compromising on comfort. And there you have it, folks. The Dockers Men's Beacon Boat Shoe. From genuine leather elegance to never-wet technology, these shoes are a complete package. If you're on the hunt for a stylish, comfortable, and practical pair of shoes, look no further. Number 4. The Puma Men's Tazan 6 sneaker. With its contemporary design and reliable features, these kicks have piqued our interest. Stick around as we break down what makes them stand out from the crowd. Let's kick things off with the aesthetics. The Tazan 6 boasts a seasonal fracture graphic, injecting a touch of modern flair into the classic cross-trainer silhouette. It's a head-turning design that sets these sneakers apart, making them just as stylish on the street as they are in the gym. Comfort is key, and the Tazan 6 doesn't disappoint. The stable cushioning is a game-changer for both running and training sessions. Slipping into the Tazan 6 is like a match made in sneaker heaven. The synthetic leather upper provides a sleek and streamlined silhouette, while the midfoot saddle ensures a snug fit. It's all about maximum comfort without sacrificing style, the perfect combination for those always on the move. No one likes sore feet after a workout. Enter the Eva heel in the Tazan 6, working its shock-absorbing magic. It absorbs impact, offering that extra layer of support and comfort. It's the kind of feature that makes these sneakers a go-to choice for those intense workouts or long days on your feet. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just strolling around town, the Tazan 6 excels in versatile performance. These sneakers seamlessly blend style and functionality, adapting to your active lifestyle. They're not just shoes, they're a statement of comfort, style, and performance. And there you have it, folks. The Puma Men's Tazan 6 sneaker. From its contemporary design to reliable padding and shock absorption magic, these sneakers are the real deal. If you're looking for a pair that effortlessly combines style and performance, hit that like button. Subscribe for more reviews and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay stylish and stay active. Number 3. The Clarks Men's Bushacre 2 Chukka Boot. These boots have caught our eye for all the right reasons, from their unique finish to the comfortable design. Let's lace up and dive into why these Chukka boots deserve a spot in your collection. First things first, let's talk about that finish. The Bushacre 2 rocks a unique charm. Those marks you see aren't scratches. They're intentional, adding character to the boots. It's a subtle touch that sets them apart, giving off a rugged yet refined vibe. Embrace the marks, they tell a story. The Chukka boot silhouette is a classic, and the Bushacre 2 does it justice. With its two-eyelet lace up front, these boots offer a timeless style that effortlessly transitions from casual to slightly dressed up. It's the kind of versatile footwear that complements any wardrobe. No compromise on comfort here. The cushioned insole in the Bushacre 2 ensures that every step feels like walking on a cloud. Whether you're tackling a long day at work or exploring the city, your feet will thank you for the extra layer of support. Comfort and style, a win-win. Let's dive into the materials. The upper is crafted from suede, giving the boots a rich and luxurious feel. Meanwhile, the lining material is leather, a choice that not only adds durability but also enhances the overall comfort. It's a thoughtful combination that speaks to the quality of these Chukka boots. A quick note on color. Due to lighting, the shade may vary. It's a heads up for those perfectionists out there. Embrace the slight variations, it adds to the uniqueness. Your boots, your style, your way. Now let's wrap this up and give our final thoughts on the Clarks Men's Bushacre 2 Chukka boot. And there you have it, boot aficionados, the Clarks Men's Bushacre 2 Chukka boot. From the distinctive finish to the comfortable design and quality materials, these boots are a solid choice for those who appreciate style with a touch of character. If you're ready to elevate your footwear game, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy boot wearing. Number 2. The Clarks Men's Tilden Walk Oxford. If you're on the hunt for a versatile shoe that can handle the daily hustle, you're in the right place. Let's lace up and get started. The Tilden Walk Oxford is built for the workweek grind. Its sleek design effortlessly transitions from office meetings to casual outings. Whether you're navigating the boardroom or grabbing coffee with colleagues, these shoes make a statement, professional yet stylish. What sets these Oxfords apart is the thoughtful inclusion of stretch gore panels. This feature ensures a snug fit that flexes with your every step. Say goodbye to discomfort during long meetings or those rushed lunchtime walks. The Tilden Walk Oxford has got your back, or rather your feet, covered. Comfort is king, and Clarks knows it. The Ortholite footbed in these Oxfords is a game changer. It not only softens the impact of each step but also wicks away moisture, keeping your feet cool and dry throughout the day. It's like walking on clouds but with a professional edge. Sometimes a little lift goes a long way. The Tilden Walk Oxford boasts a modest 1-inch heel, adding a touch of sophistication to your ensemble without compromising on comfort. It's the perfect balance for those who want to elevate their style while maintaining a grounded, confident stride. Let's talk about the cherry on top, the soft thermoplastic rubber outsole. This material not only provides durability but also ensures all-day comfort. No need to worry about sore feet after a demanding day. The Tilden Walk Oxford proves that style and comfort can indeed coexist in perfect harmony. And there you have it, folks. The Clarks Men's Tilden Walk Oxford, a true companion for the modern professional. From the boardroom to happy hour, these Oxfords have you covered. If you've tried them out, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Until next time, happy walking. Number 1. The Dr. Scholl's Shoes Women's Time Off Sneaker. If you're into eco-conscious fashion without sacrificing comfort, you're in for a treat. Lace up, or rather slip on, because we're diving in. Let's kick things off with a bang. These sneakers are sustainably crafted wonders. The toe box, linings, and top cloth are made from recycled bottles, while the heel counter boasts materials given a second life. Dr. Scholl's is not just stepping into fashion, they're leaving a smaller carbon footprint as they do. The time-off sneaker doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk with its eco-friendly materials. Water-resistant faux leather, canvas fabric, and ripstop made from recycled plastic bottles or neoprene fabric, each element chosen with sustainability in mind. It's a stylish stride towards a greener planet. Slip-on convenience meets a secure fit with the time-off sneaker. The stretch laces not only add a trendy touch but ensure your sneakers stay snug on your feet. No more compromising style for comfort. Dr. Scholl's strikes the perfect balance for the on-the-go eco-conscious fashionista. Comfort takes center stage with Dr. Scholl's insole technology. The anatomical cushioning provides a plush feel, while the overall support keeps you going mile after mile. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great, and these sneakers deliver sustainable comfort without compromise. Movement matters, and the time-off sneaker gets it right. The lightweight, flexible construction moves effortlessly with your every step. Whether you're running errands or exploring the city, these sneakers have your back, or should I say, your feet, ensuring a comfortable and sustainable journey. And there you have it, folks. The Dr. Scholl's Shoes Women's Time-Off Sneaker, a stylish step towards sustainability. If you've given these a try, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-friendly fashion reviews. Until next time, walk on with style and purpose. So that wraps up our list of the best shoe for men in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Tac family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.